Hi guys! If you wanna see how I achieved this nail look, keep on watching. I will show you step for step how I did it. I'll start by applying the nail tips. I am using the gelin tips. These are the tips that I did unbox in my previous video. I cure all nails individually for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I cure all nails for 60 seconds. After curing, I am buffing the nail to take that shine away, and also preparing the nails for the cat eye polish, the fun part. This is the fun part, the cat eye polish. I did 2 coats, and you can see me do that right now. A quick reminder, I am not a professional, I'm just doing my nails, my own nails at home. DIY style. I look on Pinterest for ideas and I will recreate, try them, twist them my own way. So it's just me and my nails at home. I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a professional. The second coat. I did really enjoy doing this set. It was all new for me, long nails, stiletto nails, cat eye with a little bit of design. Normally I'm more of the minimal look, but I did like how it came out. This is my first time working with blooming gel. It was pretty easy. Working with this glue for design was not easy at all. You can see me struggle. I'm struggling. your feedbacks in the comment. I wanna know what I can do better to improve. Here I'm taking off the sticky layer from the top coat. Here I am applying the cuticle oil to bring back the balance. And I'm finishing with body oil. And now the finished look. Let me know if you like it, if you didn't like it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.